Good evening everyone. So, higher order derivatives. So, na zoom. So, objective, then nato nabasan. So, do you remember your different notations for derivatives? So, f quantity x, so y nga dy dx. Well, these are the same notation for higher power derivatives. So, any guesses on what each means? F so quantity x is the second derivative of f, then y, then 3 3 in the up kanang ikatulo, kanang tulo ka kanang baglit sa babaw is the third derivative. So ang d squared and y over dx squared is the second derivative. So and to find them, you just take the derivative again and again if necessary. So for example, to get from f quantity x to f, so the third derivative quantity x, you just take the derivative of f quantity x. So and to get from f quantity x to f raised to quantity 4 quantity x for x, you will just take in the derivative of x 3 times. So example A, so find the second derivative of the f quantity x is equals x raised to 4 minus 2x cubed. So if quantity x is equals 4x cubed minus 6x squared, so ngano na 6x squared siya kay 2 times 3 man ata, 2 times 3 manata siya, o 2 times 3 man siya nga 6. So if quantity x is equals 12x squared minus 12x is equals to, mo na siya iyang pagkuha na simplify mo na siya yung start. So example B, given f quantity x third quantity x is equals to square root of x minus 1, find f raised to 4 quantity x. So ang f kabali ang third derivative quantity x is equals to quantity x minus 1 over 1 half. So ay quantity raised to 1 half. So makita nyo ng f raised to 4 quantity 4 and quantity x is equals to 2 quantity 1 over 2 quantity x minus 1 raised to negative 1 half quantity times 1. So ang kuha niya is, ang pag-simplify na is f raised to quantity 4 is equals x minus quantity x minus 1 all over na ba, over raised to negative 1 half. So example C, given g quantity x is equals 3x cubed minus 9x plus 1, solve the following equation. G second derivative quantity x is equals 0. So g the quantity x is equals 9x squared minus 9. So second derivative quantity x equals 18x. So we want g quantity x is equals 0. So 18x is equals 0. So x is equals 0. So that's all. Thank you.